Hi, I'm Apurva and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
A woman's body is strength and grace. Today's practice is all about being gentle and loving with your body, giving it exactly what it needs to listen, to be aware, to be calm, and to breathe with love and care. Let's get seated in a cross-legged position, hands in prayer in front of your heart, inviting you to close your eyes and use this time to connect with yourself. From here, place your right forearm on the mat, and as you inhale, extend your left arm up and bend over to your right, breathing here. Release that breath and come back to center. Switch sides. This time, your left forearm goes on the mat and gently lift your right arm up and bend over to your left side, stretching the right side of your body. Opening up, just breathe. Inhale and come back to center and release. Staying in a cross-legged position, move your right leg outward and slightly ahead of your left. Take your both hands up with an inhale, and whenever you're ready, gently walk forward on your fingertips as you exhale. Feel the stretch on your right hip flexor, releasing any tension that may be stored there. Gently walk back as you inhale and switch sides. This time, pull your right leg in and take your left leg out. Arms up as you inhale and gently walk forward as you exhale. This time, feeling it in your left hip flexor. Exhale and let it go. Keeping your left knee bent, extend your right leg out. Feel free to place a cushion on top of your right thigh. Inhale, take your arms up, and as you exhale, gently let your upper body fold on top of your right leg or that cushion. Stay wherever you feel the stretch. Don't force or push. Just breathe and relax. And whenever you're ready, let's switch sides. This time, right leg bends, left leg stretches out. Doing the same thing on our left, arms go up and gently fold. When you're done, slowly move back up and come to a butterfly fold. Grab your toes, extend your heart out as you inhale, and as you exhale, gently fold. Allow yourself to use this time to gently release all the tension that may be stored in your hips. Let's open our legs to a straddle sit and stack 2 cushions in front of your belly. Deep breath in as your arms reach up and gently fold. Place your belly on top of the cushions and just relax. Let's come up to our palms and knees, finding a neutral tabletop position. Taking a couple of rounds of cat and cow spinal stretches. Inhale, dip your back, send your hip back and lift your chest up, look up. Exhale, tuck your tailbone in, rounding your back and your shoulders, and drop your head in. One more like this. Slowly drop your knees, hips back on your heels, and rest in child's pose. Just breathe. From here, lie down on your back and take your legs up. Bring the soles of your feet together and gently lower your legs down on the mat. Knees bent, eyes closed. Place one hand on your belly, one hand on your chest, and just enjoy the deep stretch on your hips. Just stay with your breath, stay in your moment, and just breathe.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.